This is a not that this this is a 5-frame medium nuke, and there's 3 of them stacked. These bees were fed some syrup over the past month just to top them up. Oh, they're still up there. Take a look at that. Can you see that? I'm surprised there's some bees up there, but that's all capped honey. So my plan now is to put a piece of super thick hard insulation on top of this hive, and I need to put on the mouse proofing mesh or guard down here. I've just been using a piece of insulation to reduce the entrance. Lots of carpenters and stuff, but let's see. Oh, hold on. Oh, we got a battle going on over here. That looks like a wasp got in. I've been noticing wasps getting into my hives lately, but they got no life left in them. They're so depleted and near the end of their lives that they just go in, and the bees they don't put up any fight. The bees just kill them like this. There we go. I can't tell that wasp is still alive, or if they're just making the bee on top is definitely stinging, or trying to stinging and biting. I'd say it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Oh, it's gonna flop over the top, and you're gone. Any light? Oh, there it is. Hold on, you kind of see it up there. See that right there? Those are right up there. Trying to get the focus. You can see that's the bees are clustering. There they are. Now it's going to flash. There you go, because of the right. See, there we go. This is it's those black bars are that's just the frequency of the light causing that. But you can see. Anyway, so there they are, clustering on the bottom, just chilling. Right. So they're right here, right, clustering. So if they're clustering, that means this is probably full of bees. I got a bee crawling down my neck. This I know is full of honey because we just looked at it. And this is probably full of honey as well. So 2 boxes of honey, at least 1 full box of honey, probably a box and a half full of honey. I would say it's usually something like this. If it's not full, it's like the bees are down here and they're just sort of, straddling these 2 boxes maybe. That's perfect. The plan now is to turn off this light. I'm going to put on a mouse guard, quarter inch mesh or some sort of mouse guard right here, and I'm just going to leave this wide open. That's how I roll. They have no top ventilation, but a fairly significant bottom ventilation. And I'll remove this inner cover, which I was using. Oh, they're up there now. So they're warming up a bit in the sun. I'll remove that inner cover. I'll replace it with a hard piece of insulation. And then I'll put on lesser insulation on the side so that the top has the most insulation, so that the condensation inside the hive rises, hits that top insulation, which is the warmest part of the hive. And because there's a differential between the top and the sides are colder, or moisture will move over to the cold side and condense on the cold sides and then pour down the hive and out the hive. So it's really, that top piece of insulation is critical. I think even more so than top ventilation. In fact, that's why I've gotten rid of top ventilation. But it's still a work in progress, but so far I've had pretty good results with this, especially in the summertime.